Hi friends, this video shows how to update pre-installed apps. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, select the settings icon, then select apps. In some TV model, we have to go to device preferences. There we would be able to find app section. Let me set apps here, then set see all apps. And here we can see pre-installed apps. For example, Gallery is a pre-installed app. If we go down, Google Play Games, that also a pre-installed apps. Google Play Games, Google Play Movies, these are pre-installed apps. In some TV we can find Netflix. In some TV, Netflix also a pre-installed app. So let me set Netflix. See, so in this TV, Netflix is a pre-installed app because here I cannot see an uninstall option. That means Netflix is a pre-installed app. So I will show you how to update pre-installed apps. So first we have to select Google Play Store from installed apps list. In some TV model, we have to go to show system apps. Under system apps, we can select Google Play Store. So let me select system apps from let me select Google Play Store from here. Then select open. See, now I have opened Google Play Store. Then on top right side you can see a profile icon. Select it. Then select settings. Then select auto update apps. So here we have to select this first option, auto update apps at any time. If you select this first option, it will automatically update pre-installed apps and system apps. We don't need to manually update pre-installed and system apps. It will automatically update. Okay, so this way we can update pre-installed apps. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.